Just trying to do a little garage cleaning here. Haven't been out here probably since I stopped making videos. Pick this up. See how it works out. Heard good things, heard bad things. Heard a lot of installation error things, so gonna try to make it work on the shoebox. If it doesn't work, oh well, I'm not into that. Anything. I got it for helping do the body work on my buddy's Model A, which I would have done anyway, for nothing. So, just out here messing around, and I thought, hey, why don't I see if this will start? It hasn't been ran in forever. It probably won't. But, let's see anyway. I'm sure the battery's dead. Turns out the battery's dead. So much for that fun. Was that fun? I hope it was fun. I had fun. Does anybody want to buy this? Alright. Try two. That was a no-go. I'm gonna have to take one of the air cleaners off. And reset this thing. No, but really, anybody want to buy this? Oh, let's see. I think I might start over with another car. I need my hands. So, you're just going to have to sit right here. I think you'll find she fires right up now. As suspected. Now, this jump box is the handiest piece of junk ever. It's really convenient. Easy to use. All those things. This part of it is awesome. I used to freak out and stuff. It's a good thing it was free. You know, for free, it started a few cars when the batteries were dead, so I won't complain about that. Yes, I will. Change my mind. I will. Alright, now that we disconnected it and did nothing and put it back on, it'll probably work now. So anyway, I haven't been making videos. I need a camera. I need a computer. I don't even know if I'm going to make this video because it'll probably take me forever with the computer. That sounds tasty. We almost had it. For some reason, when this thing sits, it takes forever to get gas back up to the carburetor. probably needs a new pump. That cheap Chinese Jegs one. It's chrome though. It is chrome. So, you know, we got that going for us. Oh my, this thing, I swear. I was gonna play a song. Alright, well, that's all the fun I'm going to have for right now with this thing. As you can see, we got a lot done here. Shoebox is practically done now. Look how big the garage is now. But anyway, one of these days we'll get over to Jim's house. See what's going on over there. But until then, I'll be on my couch. Nice. Charge this thing up just for you. How long it's been since I've made a video?
Well, it should be at least another day longer.
Well, it will be. I'll just have the footage, but I'll make it in a couple months. Alright, there's your 5 seconds of fame. No, you've already had it. You've been on there before. You'll be glad I took this when you can look back 15 years from now and watch it. If YouTube's still around.
Probably not.
Don't worry, I won't get the jams. The best part's going to be the video of you laying that clear down.
That's fine. Until you get here.
No, that's the part you're doing. I'll do the rest. Let's see how hard this is going to be. Oh, piece of cake.
Oh, yeah.
We could have painted it with the visor off and then welded it on afterwards.
No bubbles there.
So that's 3 coats of base. We're gonna do one more, just because I can see through some of the stuff down below. Mike's done everything so far, except I put 2 coats on this and 1 on that, but other than that, he's done it all. Trying to make him paint it, that way he can say he painted it when people ask about it. I'd like to impress and tell everybody that I did everything. As far as painting the body work. So anyway, looking pretty good. I'll turn this on when we start clearing for a little bit, but it's going to be pretty cloudy in here. Right? Don't send me the pics of this thing that you have.
What's there now?
Yeah, so I can put them in the video.